In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cost to a cost resource in Microsoft Project. This is perfect when you need to track one-time charges like travel, equipment, or airfare alongside your task schedule without tying them to hours of work. A cost resource is different from a work or material resource. It represents a flat amount you'll assign to a task later. Start by opening the resource sheet so you can create the cost resource. Go to the View tab and choose Resource Sheet. In a blank row under Resource Name, type a clear, descriptive name for your cost resource, such as travel or equipment. In the Type column for that same row, change the type to Cost. This tells Microsoft Project that this resource does not use rates or hours. Don't worry about entering a dollar amount here. You'll set the actual cost when you assign it to a task. Next, switch to Gantt chart so you can connect the resource to the right activity. Click the task where you want the cost to apply. Then go to the Resource tab and click Assign Resources, or press Alt plus F10. In the Assign Resources window, select the cost resource you just created and click Assign. At this point, the cost resource is linked to the task, but no money has been recorded yet. To enter the actual amount, go to the View tab again and choose Task Usage. This view shows each task with its assigned resources listed underneath. Find the task you just updated, and you'll see your cost resource under it. Double-click that assignment line, or right-click and choose Information to open the assignment details. In the dialog that appears, go to the Resources tab, or the Costs tab if that's what your version shows. Look for the Cost field and type the amount you want to charge. For example, enter $500 for a $500 expense. You don't need to include a currency symbol. Project will use your project's currency settings automatically. Click OK to save. You'll now see the cost appear under the assignment and roll up to the task total. Because this is a cost resource, it behaves as a fixed charge. It doesn't change with task duration or resource hours. If you don't see the resource in the list, double-check that its type is set to cost in the resource sheet and that you assigned it to the correct task. Repeat these same steps for any other tasks that need one-time charges. With this approach, your project plan stays clean, accurate, and easy to report on.